welcome everybody to Apogee 2023.
What a fantastic opportunity
Bringing the very best partners we've got around the world into one place.
to network, to learn from one another, and to get inspired to continue to win together. We're really honored that you came, joined us for the next 2 days. It's going to be incredible.
When you can see it in real time and you can feel that raw emotion in the audience, I think that's just fantastic.
They always say it takes a village. And when I look at every success that WatchGuard had and has and will have, you are our village.
As a 100% channel company, we don't go anywhere without you.
The one partner that I feel like has my back more than anybody else.
The partner community is who we build for.
It's like family.
And they're all superb people.
Commitment to the partner, the commitment to the end clients delivering the products and services is a whole different level than what you get elsewhere.
It is the most important relationship that we have.
To enable us to fulfill our own vision using their products.
They're really on point, they're enthusiastic, they're always available, just do a great job.
You are our partners, you are our customers, we build everything with you in mind.
The best security solution in the market for our markets.
You're not just representing WatchGuard, you're representing yourselves first.
You drive our roadmaps, it's conversations that happen at these kickoffs that define where we invest.
You really see how the feedback is taken into account, and for that Apogee is just great.
For some of you, it's 15, 20 years that you've done business with us. For you to put your trust in your business with us really means a lot.
WatchGuard always is channel-centric, so we feel secure working with WatchGuard.
We don't see the same level of engagement from just about anyone else.
On a global basis, just an outstanding year, the best year we ever had in our history of the company.
We are in a business model that has the highest growth rates. That is a great position to be in.
And we're here to help you with the technology to bring you forward and your customers forward in their security practice.
Threat Sync, Managed Security, the MDR service, and the Better Together feature. They're all helping you deliver on that MSP playbook.
All these things are possible because we have built a platform that truly elevates security delivery to begin with.
The sum is greater than the parts. They can collaborate with each other, they learn from each other, they can react to what each service sees and knows.
Everybody is really motivated around this mission of empowering your success.
It's a win-to-win situation between you and us as a partner.
If you can become the outsourcing agent for security for your customers, you'll win.
If you succeed, we succeed. And that's really where we are as a company moving into the next phase.
So that we can plan how are we going to shift our company strategy to better support our customer with the alignment from WatchGuard.
The partners who adopt WatchGuard as a platform do dramatically well with us.
The relationship with WatchGuard is a win-win situation for everyone. Everything came by the hand of WatchGuard.
The only vendor relationship I've ever had that deep emotional connection with.
We love working with WatchGuard. We're excited when any new products come out, and we get an awful lot of support.
It'd be bad not to be honest with you. You're going to have support from there all the way up.
They've made my business a success.
What a fantastic way to finish the last 3 days, and what a fantastic 3 days it's been.